Hi, welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, I'm going to take you through how to download the Toca app and how to create your Toca and Appen accounts. The first thing I'll need you to do is go to the Google Play Store and download the app. Most people say that the app is not available on the Google Play Store. To those people, I say, copy this link on your Chrome browser, click on the link, it will take you to the Toca app download app link website. If not so, you can use the QR scanner on your phone to scan this QR code, which will generate the link for you to download the Toca app. I'll give you a moment. You can pause the video, then download the app. After you download the app, you can go ahead and launch the app by clicking open. It will take you to the home screen of the app. There you'll be presented with two options. The first option is login. The second option is sign up. Since you're a first user, you'll click the sign up option. You'll be taken to another screen. This screen has the terms and conditions for the usage of the app. You'll accept the terms and conditions, then you'll continue the registrations. If you do not agree with the terms and conditions, you can decline and go back, then terminate your registrations. Before we go to the next step, I want you to make sure you have an access code from your responsible trainer. If you have the code, you can accept and continue, which will take you to the next step. The next step, you'll have to key in your 6-digit access code, then submit. After you submit your code, you'll then be required to enter the following details. The first thing being your first name, your last name, email address, password confirmation, then you will submit. The app will load your app data, then you'll be taken to the home screen of the app. If you see this home screen, then your app is all set up. The next thing is creating your Appen account. Appen is which will be the work provider when using this app. Open Toca, then click Start Work to the bottom of the screen. The next page, you'll be presented with a list of available work providers. At this stage, I'd like you to click on Appen by selecting Start. Once you click on Appen, you'll be taken to a page with a list of available jobs. You can go ahead and click on any available job. After clicking the available jobs, you'll be taken to a page where you can create your Appen account. In this page, you'll be presented with two options also. The first option being sign up, then the second option being sign in. For the first users, you'll click sign up. After clicking signing up, you'll be taken to a page where you are required to enter your details, fill in a captcha to confirm that you're not a robot, read the terms and conditions, then accept the terms and conditions if you agree with them. If you do not agree, you can decline, then quit registration. The first thing in this page, you'll fill in your name, your email address, a password, and a password confirmation. Your password has to meet the following requirements. Must have one capital letter, must have one digit, and must have one special character, for example, $, asterisk, or the and symbol. Confirm that you're not a robot, then agree with terms and conditions of Appen, then click on create your account. After clicking on create your account, you'll go to your email address, click on the confirmation link that is sent to you by Appen, sign in to confirm your registration and verify your account. After you verify your account on your email, you sign out, then come back to Toca and sign in using your 12-word password. Then you'll be ready to work. The other thing, after you've earned some considerable amount, you'll need to cash out. In the process of cashing out, the first thing is transferring your funds from your Toca app to your Valora wallet. To do this, you'll click on Done if you are currently working, or you can launch your app afresh, then select Cash Out. When you select Cash Out, you'll be presented with two options. The first option being Valora, and the second option being Muthiani Pay. At this stage, I'd like you to select Valora. Then the wallet will prompt you to connect your app to Valora. You can go ahead and select Connect Valora. The app will automatically connect to Valora, fetch your user data, then prompt you to allow it to connect. Then you'll click allow. The two apps will connect in less than 30 seconds. Once the apps have connected, you'll be allowed to send. If you have any money, you can click send to wallet. Then your funds will be transferred from Toca to Valora. If you do not have any money, you can click back, go ahead, start work, then start working, earn some amount, then you can transfer later to your wallet. The other part of these presentations is the tips and best practices for work when interacting with work providers in Appen. The first thing is some task will ask you a few questions about information that you may not know. If you know, you can go ahead, fill in your answers comfortably and submit. If you have any doubts, you can go to Google. There's a variety and a wide range of available information that you can use to boost your knowledge so that you can make sure you provide the correct answers in Appen. The other thing is there are test questions that you'll come across in Appen. You have to be accurate. To be accurate, read the instructions and follow them to the letter. Be careful with your selections because the minutes you do show the work, there are chances that you will not have access to any more work. The other thing is tasks may not show. Make sure that you do not have any work available at the moment. This happens on one of two occasions. The first one being you have met the maximum number of tasks in that job, and you'll have to wait until the work provider adds more, or you can work on a different job. The other thing is the client may have achieved what he or she wanted, then remove the job from the platform. That does not mean you do not have work. You have work, but different type of work. You can go through the list of entries of the available jobs. Then you can click on any other job and continue working. The other thing is, if you see the permission issue, you can ask for help, but you can avoid this by making sure your Appen account is opened in only one screen and you do not use multiple accounts or emails in your Appen account. This can actually get you suspended or prevented from working ever again. So just be honest with your work. Use one account. Do not get greedy and be attempting to make multiple accounts, which can result to your suspension. But the thing is, there are jobs that you'll be used for training. These jobs are limited. The main purpose of the pilot jobs is just to make sure for the new users, you know how to use the app, go around the tasks available. The pilot jobs will be available temporarily, but make sure the time they are available, you maximize on them, use them for training, gather all the skills you need before you go to the open platform jobs. Then the last bit of the tips is be patient. Do not rush through your work. Be patient, take your time, gather the more information, and you'll be good. The other thing is be discerning. Look at the job you are being asked to do. If you're not sure it's something you can do on your smartphone, work on a different job or come back later when you're sure you can do it. The other thing is accuracy. The app requires you to have an accuracy of at least 75%. The meaning that the minute that your accuracy goes below that level, you'll be expelled from the majority of the jobs. So make sure you're accurate by reading the instructions and doing what is required of you. If you do not understand anything in the app, you can reach out to anyone in our training team or by asking for help from the app and platform by filling in a ticket. Then you get the necessary assistance. Thank you. This is the end of my presentation.